Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you can easily wrap a string in a file by opening a file in write mode and then writing the string to it. This can be useful for tasks like creating or updating text files, logging data, or saving the output of a program. In this tutorial, we will cover how to wrap a string in a file step by step, along with code examples. To wrap a string in a file, you first need to open the file. You can use the open function in Python to do this. The open function takes two arguments, the file name and the mode in which you want to open the file. For writing a new file or overwriting an existing file, you should use the W mode. Here's how you can open a file in write mode. Once the file is open in write mode, you can use the write method of the file object to write your string to the file. The write method takes a single string argument, which is the content you want to write to the file. Here's an example of how to write a string to the file. After you have finished writing the string to the file, it's essential to close the file using the close method. Closing the file ensures that any pending data is written to the file and releases system resources. Here's how to close the file. Here's a complete example that combines all the steps. It's essential to handle potential errors when working with files. You can use a try except block to handle exceptions that may occur when opening or writing to the file. Here's an example of error handling. This code will catch and handle any I/O error that occurs during file operations. That's it. You now know how to wrap a string in a file in Python. You can modify the file _name and content variables to work with your specific file and data. ChatGPT